This is a guide on how to use a vernier gauge. It can be used in three ways: to measure the outside of something, the inside of something, or to measure depth. Either way, you'll see the measuring parts all move together, and there is only one scale to read from. The scale here, which is in centimetres, which is divided up into each individual millimetres. Then there is another scale here, and you can see that the 0 lines up, the 10 lines up, but the other ones don't. They sort of go in phase, out of phase, and then line back up again. If we move the gauge into the 10mm position, you'll see that the 0 lines up with the 10, which is measuring 10mm exactly. You begin by taking the measurement from where the 0 is. So if we go to here, you could guess that that is half a millimetre, so 0.5. But if we follow these lines at the bottom, we'll see that the 5 actually lines up, showing that it is 0.5 millimetres. If we move the scale to here, we can see that the 0 is in between the 0 here and the 1. So if we follow the bottom row and see which ones line up, we'll see that the 6 is aligned. This means that it is 0.6 of a millimetre. We can see that the 0 is past the 60mm mark, so we'll count them. It's 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and it's just past the 65mm mark. So then we'll come to the bottom row and see which ones line up. We can see that the 1 is lined up with this mark. So this is 65.1 of millimetre. Okay, we show you another example. We'll measure the inside of this. We can see that the 0 is just past the 59mm mark. So then if we follow these down again, we can see that the 1 is lined up again. So it's 59.1 millimetres.